misty hills of Malaysia, where time slows down and nature whispers its secrets, lies a forgotten gem. Have you heard about that haunted resort in Fraser Hills? Welcome to Fraser Hill, and today we are checking into the Silverpark Resort, a place with history, character, and maybe even a few secrets of its own. Our journey begins with the fresh mountain breeze and the winding roads of Fraser Hills. But in this video, I'm not going to talk much about Fraser Hills itself. If you are interested in food and more details about the area, check out our previous 2 episodes. Now let's see what kind of experience we had at Silverpark Resort. Just minutes away from the town center, we arrived at Silverpark Resort. When we got there, it was already night. Yeah, it felt a little creepy with the mist, the dark pine trees and low lighting, and especially after reading some spooky reviews. The whole vibe felt more suitable to the horror film than a holiday. When the sun goes down, Silverpark takes on a very different energy. The fog rolls in, light flicker, and the silence becomes almost too quiet. We heard a starless guest whispering about the strange noises at night, shadow passing by the windows, and footsteps in empty hallways. As time passed, the mist lifted and we started to feel safer. We actually slept peacefully, but there was no sound at all. It was so quiet, I don't know, maybe too quiet. So nothing unusual happened last night. It was a relief. Now we are pretty sure there's nothing to be scared of, other than the eerie vibe. As you can see, evening and mornings are super misty. Sometimes you can't even see what's around you. It might be the location of the resort. It's right at the top of mountain, a little all paint white, not very crowded and always foggy. Despite all that, we loved the chill morning. The unit we stayed in was actually decent, fully furnished, spacious and equipped with all essentials. A cozy living room, a clean bathroom and even a kitchen. The living area had a comfortable sofa, some extra chairs, a TV and even show rack. And best of all, it's opened up a massive balcony. This is the real highlight. We stayed in a 2-bedroom apartment. The main bedroom was scared and spacious, with 2 double beds and all the necessary equipment, an iron mirror, a small table and a window facing the jungle. It also had an attached bathroom. And the other room has 1 double bed, wardrobe, table with mirror and outside bathroom with hot water. And here we didn't see any fan or air conditioner. The apartment had an open kitchen and it was pretty large. There was a big refrigerator, a small cooker, a kettle, a microwave and an induction cooker. The kitchen was clean and tidy. Inside the pantry there were plates, knives, spoons and all other basic you would need to cook. There was also a small balcony at the front of the building. Now let's talk about the morning view without the mist. This is one of the most breathtaking sights you will find in Fraser Hill. From the balcony, all you see are endless mountains fading into the layers of blue mist. It's serene, peaceful, almost too peaceful. Silverpark Resort is stand on a hilltop, overlooking valleys blanketed in green. It's quite tranquil, and yes, from the outside it looks like it hasn't changed in decades. And during the day, flowers started blooming outside, so different from the vibe at the night. Cool, fresh and refreshing. We booked this apartment via Airbnb for 2 nights. I think it was worth the price. When check-in, we had to collect the keys at the front gate. And every time we went in or out, we needed an apartment access card to get through the gate. And now here we are checking out. The place is a little creepy at night, but if you are looking for a peace and a break from the modern world, or maybe even a brush with the unknown, this might just be your kind of escape. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more hidden gems and adventures. Until next time, travel safe and sleep with the lights on.